We are a custom fabricator of hose, so whatever your requirements are, whatever your needs, we can fabricate it to that requirement. There's many varieties of hoses, many colors, shapes, sizes, and they fit in many applications over many markets. Seals, there is no limit. We've done seals up to 48 inches and down to microscopic level. Whatever your sealing requirement is, we'll be able to take care of your problem. I'm John Sweeney from Niantic Seal. We specialize in EMI, RFI material, thermal material, as well as custom fabricated hoses, seals, and gaskets. We have a 50,000 square foot facility in Lincoln, North Island, where we do in-house fabrication. We're not a manufacturer, we're a distributor and fabricator. So we take raw material and we fabricate it to the customer's needs. So this is an example of a spring-energized Teflon seal. It's used for dynamic applications where there's a lot of movement. If the temperatures get too high, we transition to a metal gasket. Extreme pressures, high temperature, this is your solution. Then you've got your straightforward rubber products, seals like this, for example, or seals like this, or this over here, more for static applications. Applications that don't see movement, but they got to seal out the environment. Well, like our hoses, if you look at our hoses over here, our hoses go from anywhere from 1/4 inch to 24 inches. Seals, there is no limit. We've done seals up to 48 inches and down to microscopic level. Okay, speaking of hoses, if you've got chemicals that would deteriorate other type of products, primarily rubber or even Teflon, a flexible metal hose is your solution. In this scenario, this is actually a guard. That's not a braid, this is a braid. Hoses are very simply made up. You basically have a core, which is a flexible corrugated piece of metal. You have a braid on the outside and they're welded together right like that. And then whatever fitting you require for your application, we weld that on. That we do in-house. On this table you got EMI, RFI material, electrical magnetic interference, radio frequency interference. Basically these are trying to prevent your electronics from interfering with other electronics and keep them from being susceptible to from other electronics. Popular examples of these materials which integrate metal particles into the product. This is a fluorosilicone, or it could be just a silicone-based rubber. And in this case, it's got silver-plated aluminum particles embedded inside of it. So this will seal in various ways, shapes, and forms, cracks and crevices on an electronic enclosure or device to prevent it from emanating or being susceptible to outside interference. This is more of an outside application. This would be more of an indoor application because it's not going to hold up well up against the environment or water and so forth. Here's an array of our thermal materials. Like the gasket and seal products, they come in many arrays of sizes, shapes, and colors. Basically, you have a product or a component and they give off heat. They need to remove that heat. There's various ways to do that. It can be gels, it can be pads, it can be insulators, it can be tapes. They all basically perform the same thing. They're helping remove heat from a product. Whatever your sealing requirement is, we have an in-house staff. The experience that I have and my staff has, we'll be able to take care of your problem. If we can't solve your problem in-house, we'll go to our partners who can solve those problems.
That was another great video by one of our part gurus, America's greatest contract manufacturers. You could support us.
You hit the like button, give a comment. We'll make more of these because we're here to help American manufacturing get stronger. Help us out
by smashing that like button, hitting subscribe, sharing the video, or leaving a comment. This allows us to travel the country and make more of these great videos of America's best contract manufacturers. Thanks for watching.